Ganesh Mantra and its benefits. Lord Ganesh is the power of knowledge, success, and fulfillment. To invoke this divine being, several mantras are chanted in his name. These Ganesh mantras are also known as Siddhi Mantra, means the one with perfection. Each and every mantra is full of energy and the power of Lord Ganesh. It is believed that his mantras, when recited with genuine devotion, give positive results. They ward off all trials and troubles, gracing the devotee with every bit of the success he desires. Benefits of chanting Ganesh Mantra. With Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesh grants prosperity, abundance, happiness, money, wealth, good luck, and all material success. With Goddess Saraswati, Lord Ganesh grants scholarship, educational success, intelligence, sharp mind, knowledge, focus, mind powers, and spirituality. In Hindu Dharma, Lord Ganesh is worshipped at the beginning of every auspicious occasion. Chanting of Ganesh Mantra is considered very auspicious and divine. Chanting Ganesh Mantra removes each and every enemy of the devotee's life, and she gets focus and clarity. Chanting of these mantras also removes fears and phobia. Chanting Lord Ganesh Mantra not only gives rewards for one's efforts but accelerates one's progress and helps to become a better person in life. Vakratunda Ganesh Mantra, one of the most important and also one of the most common Ganpati mantra. This is the Ganesh mantra for wealth and is dedicated to Lord Ganesh. Goddess Riddhi means Hindu goddess of prosperity, and Goddess Siddhi means Hindu goddess of spiritual enlightenment. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Meaning, O God with a curved trunk, the large body whose aura is like a light of many suns, please make my entire work obstacle free forever. Benefit. Chanting of this mantra invokes Lord Ganesh to remove every obstacle between one and one's well-being and helps to achieve wealth, wisdom, good luck, prosperity, and success in all the areas of life. Ganesh Gayatri Mantra. The symbolic meaning behind the broken tusk is that Buddhi or wisdom, which symbolize broken tusk, should always be less than Shraddha or faith, which symbolize by full tusk. This is one of the many symbolisms attributed to the broken tusk. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Meaning, we pray to the one with the single tusked elephant tooth who is omnipresent. We meditate upon and pray for the greater intellect of the Lord with the curved elephant-shaped trunk. We bow before the one with the single tusked elephant tooth to illuminate our minds with wisdom. Ekadanta, referring to one tusk in the elephant face, means that God broke the duality and made us have a complete one-pointed mind. Benefit. This Ganesh mantra encourages modesty and high-end wisdom in those who chant it. Basic Ganpati mantra Om Gam Ganpateye Namaha. Meaning, it means bowing down to Ganpati with all our existence and accepting all his great qualities in our self-being. Benefit, it wards off all the negativity from one's life before beginning any work. Chanting of this mantra ensures success in all the new ventures that one wishes to undertake. The Rinharta mantra Om Ganesh Rinam Chindim Varenyam Hum Namaha Fat. Meaning, Rinharta is another name of Lord Ganesh and meaning of which is the giver of wealth. In Hindi, the meaning of Rinharta or Rinharta is derived from the words Rin or Rinam meaning debate and Harta meaning remover. Benefit, the Rinharta mantra is a Lord Ganesh mantra for wealth and prosperity in life, as Lord Ganesh is requested to keep debates and poverty away and bring abundance to life. सिद्धि विनायक मंत्र ओम नमो सिद्धि विनायकाय सर्व कार्य कत्रे सर्व विघ्न प्रशमनाय सर्व राज्य वश्यकरणाय सर्वजन सर्व स्त्री पुरुष आकर्षणाय श्रीम ओम स्वाहा. Meaning, the word Siddhi Vinayak means the God of achievement and enlightenment. O Lord of wisdom and happiness, only you make every endeavor and everything possible. You are the remover of all obstacles and you have charmed every being in the universe. You are the Lord of all women and all men. Benefit, this Sanskrit Ganesh mantra is recited 108 times in the proper way to achieve peace, prosperity and siddhi means achievement of spiritual enlightenment, material fulfillment and strong social influence. Namavali Ganesh Mantras. Lord Ganesh is known by his many names. All his names signify the meaning or qualities associated with him. Om Ganadhyakshaya Namaha. Meaning, Ganadhyakshaya, Gana means a group and Adhyakshaya means one who is the leader of the group. Benefit, one can use this mantra to ensure the well-being of a particular state or a city. One can even chant this mantra to improve or build upon one's personal leadership characteristics. Om Gajananaya Namaha. Meaning, Gajanan here means one who carries the elephant head. In Sanskrit, Gaja means elephant. This mantra says that if God can carry the elephant's head to survive and fulfill his duties, even we should put aside our ego and live our lives dutifully. Benefit, this mantra motivates such a humble living and chanting of it helps one attain her inner peace and consciousness. Om Vigna Nashaya Namaha. Meaning, Ganpati is also worshipped to remove obstacles from one's life. Here, Vigna means obstacles and Nashaya means one who removes obstacles. Benefit, if one is facing problems with his social life, at work or with interpersonal relationships, it can be made easier by chanting this mantra. Lambodaraya Namaha, meaning Lord Ganesh is known to love his food and has a big round belly. Lambodar thus refers to him as a god who has a big belly. Benefit: chanting this mantra allows an individual to love and be one with the whole universe, just like Lord Ganpati. Om Sumukhaya Namaha, meaning Sumukh means one with a pleasing face. Lord Ganesh lost his head and replaced it with that of an elephant's. However, his good spirit and pure soul shone through even on his elephant face, and this made him look beautiful and calm. Benefit: this mantra allows one to look past one's shortcomings, identify and improve upon one's inner beauty. Om Gajakarnaya Namaha, meaning Gaja means elephant, Karna means ears, and Kaya means big. With the elephant's head and big ears, Lord Ganesh was unable to listen to everything from all sources. Benefit: this mantra allows us to be just like him and hear and accept only that which is good. Chanting the mantra shields us from external negativity and help us to overcome the stress caused by it. Om Vikataya Namaha, meaning here Vikat means difficult. Benefit: in life there are difficult situations and often one may find himself disheartened and unable to focus. This mantra reminds him that his ultimate goal is salvation, and no matter what happens, he should not lose sight of it. This Ganpati mantra will keep his eyes on this long-term goal and motivate him towards salvation. Anyone can chant any above Ganesh mantra as per individual choice or need, about 11, 21 or 108 times. May Lord Ganesh bless all of us with wisdom, prosperity, good health, positive mindset and abundance.